Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are like me, then you may be looking for ways to have really tasty snacks that are also a little bit healthier. Well, I want to show you this awesome bar. This is from Mezcla, and I am really enjoying these bars. So these are Puff Crispy bars. So they have these really nice little puffs in them that are made from either pea protein and rice or also from quinoa. And so they add this really nice, light, crispy, crunchy texture that is really delicious. And the best part about these is that this bar has 10 grams of protein. So what a super handy way to have a high protein snack. You can just pop it in your bag or in your pocket and you are ready to have that whenever you need it. This company has super unique flavors and they take a lot of care in sourcing their ingredients globally. So this flavor is the Mexican hot chocolate, and it has pea protein, mild chili pepper, and quinoa. They're super delicious. So this is not spicy, but that chili just adds a nice flavor and it makes it a little bit more complex than just your average granola or protein bar. So I am a super big fan of these Mezcla bars. I love them. I have been eating them either before or after a workout. They give me a good amount of energy and I feel good after. There's nothing in these that makes you feel yucky. They are very conscientious about the ingredients that are in these, so I have just been super happy with these. So if you're looking for a delicious high protein bar, then you're gonna be really happy with these Mezcla bars. I certainly have been. And that is my point of view.